sharing to you how to make banana milkshake. The ingredient is you need milk and banana. This milk you can using fresh or this one, Dutch lady. Okay, let's start. Take this banana, peel it. Inside. This is very sweet banana, so you no need put honey on.
Remember those little tiny bananas we bought in Sabah, darling? Very sweet, weren't they?
And take this milk. This is I make 3 person, so I'm using 2 cups of milk. Put the lid on. Switch on.
Bubble, bubble. Oh.
Look this.
Oh, looks very nice, darling. Who's going to be the guinea pig?
Great.
Woo!
For decoration, you can use anything, probably cinnamon or something, but I'm using Kit Kat.
Woo-hoo!